This is Scott the Fixer Guy. We're looking at an LG washing machine that has had a problem with leaking. I'm trying to see where the leak is. This is the washer and dryer model, and we removed this lower pan. There are just two Phillips head screws we pulled out, and then there's these little tabs, and you can pull the pan out. Just looking in there, we see that there's definitely water in the bottom. Trying to think where the water is coming from. So right now it's during the fill phase, and we're not seeing any dripping, so probably that's not the issue. Just trying to look around if there's any wet spots on this big black boot, or on the drain, or on the drain hose that would point to where the leak is. We did clean the glass bowl on the inside and the rubber gasket because there was evidence of a drip. But it seems like the water has gotten into the drip pan underneath. I'm trying to figure out where that water is coming from.
So it turns out that the leak was due to some junk caught between the glass bowl and the gasket, some hair and pet fur, and that was causing the leak. So pretty easy to fix. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance.